Now earlier we used to go to Silicon Valley for launching IPOs. Now all entrepreneurs are going to come to India for launching. I'm telling you, the day is not far away. So what I wanted to, because things are happening, he explained MedTech Park. Now we have started MedTech Park, all equipment of medical devices and also wearables. Now we have started Drone City, manufacturing, training, applications, everything, either civilian or military applications. We are starting Space City. Earlier we used to launch from Sriharikota, only satellites. Today we are going to manufacture everything in a big way, commercial scale. With this data, you can see the imagination, how it is going to change tomorrow, how it is going to transform. Electronics, we are exporting now. Till yesterday we are importing. And also IoTs have come, even CCTV cameras have come. Even we are going now, fighter jet, 5th generation, and also aerospace, we are moving in that direction. India is having huge market, you name anything. 145 crore population. No other country is having this population, even including China. China population is diminishing. India population is standard, or I can say still it is maintainable, it will increase. All over the world, aging problem is catching on. India is having an advantage of demographic dividend. Another 25 years, I can assure you, that is the advantage. And also technology has become a handy. Growth you are seeing as on today. Larger economies reasonably at high scale. 8%, around 8. It may go up to 10 plus.